Hi everyone, so this is the video for today's activity, which follows on from what we've been learning about with the different materials and what different things around our houses and different items of clothing that we wear, what materials they're made from. Okay, so this is a sheet that you're going to have to print out if you can. If you can't, there's no problem. What you could do instead is you could draw out these pictures. Okay, so there's 6 pictures there that you could draw out, and underneath them then you could write, you'll be able to see this on your computer screen anyway, or on your tablet screen. You could write what each item of clothing, what material it's made from. Okay, so just for example, if you don't have a printer, you'd be drawing out a picture of a coat, the button, it's looking at the button on the coat, okay? The zip, the hat, the t-shirt, the bag and the jacket. And then you'd look down here at these words and you'd write the word under the picture, okay? So for those of you who do have a printer and you print this out, what I want you to do is I want you to cut, and actually, sorry, one thing I forgot to say, if you are drawing it, if you don't have a printer and you are drawing it, please draw it into your project copy. Okay, so draw it into your project copy. I'm going to write that on the Padlet link for this video anyway, okay, for your mums and dads to see. Here, if you do have a printer, you'll cut these out, these words here, you'll glue them onto this part here, and then you'll glue that into your project copy. When you're cutting this out, don't cut them out individually. Go along this outside line here, okay, down here and across here. Okay, so don't cut them out individually. Follow the square that you can see that they are in. Okay, so you are going to look at the button here, the zip here, the hat here, the t-shirt, the bag and the jacket. Okay, and you'll tell me what each material, each of those things are made out of. Okay, so then down here there's some questions, and these are some of these are all based on the materials again. Okay, so it's asking is, why are some clothes made from cotton? Okay, so cotton is, remember we were looking at the cotton plant and we were looking at the t-shirts that were made from the cotton the other day in our Explorers. Okay, so cotton is a really, really light material. It's not a particularly warm material. Okay, we wouldn't be wearing anything in cotton for winter for warmth. Okay, we might use it for layers, but we wouldn't be using it for warmth really. So why do you think some clothes are made from cotton? Like what season do you think cotton clothes are particularly useful in? Okay, why are some clothes made from wool? Again, think about the warmth of wool. Okay, so when might we wear clothes made from wool? Okay, when might we wear hats and scarves and gloves made from wool? Okay. Number 3, why are some clothes made from plastic fibre? So we didn't talk too much about these. These are a synthetic material. These are made, they're made in a factory, nylon and polyester. Okay, so why do you think some clothes are made from these plastic fabrics? Okay, and the next one, number 4, why are some clothes filled with feathers are made from fur? So, why do you think some clothes might be made from fur? What do you think would be nice about wearing something that is made, that is filled with feathers or is made from fur? Now, just one point about fur, boys and girls, very, very, very few clothes these days are made from fur anymore, okay? The fur that you see on maybe the hoods on jackets or a fur scarf, that's a fake fur, okay? So it doesn't come from an animal, it's a fake fur, okay? But what would be nice about wearing a fake fur or wearing something filled with feathers, okay? How would it be nice, okay? And just to go back to this one, these 2 materials here, nylon and polyester, if you even want to have a look at some of the labels on your clothes and see why, have you any clothes made from these materials? Just one reason, because we didn't talk too much about that, one reason why clothes might be made from these fabrics is that they're very, very cheap to make, boys and girls, okay? So they're very, very cheap to make and they can be made in bulk. You can make an awful lot of it in one go, okay? So that might give you a reason why some clothes might be made from these fabrics, okay? Alright, so I hope that explains that page, okay, boys and girls. So you're either going to be drawing the pictures into your project copy or you're going to be sticking the pictures into your project copy, and then you're going to be answering these questions here. Okay, alright, best of luck.